Imagine waking up tomorrow in the year 3025, or stepping through a portal and finding yourself in ancient Egypt. Time travel has been a staple of science fiction for decades, but what if it wasn't fiction at all? What if I told you that some of the world's top scientists believe that time travel might not only be possible, but that we may have already seen evidence of it? From Einstein's theory of relativity to mysterious real-world experiments, today we're diving deep into the scientific proof behind time travel. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might start questioning everything you thought you knew about time. Let's start with one of the biggest breakthroughs in physics, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein proved that time isn't absolute. It doesn't move at the same speed for everyone, everywhere. According to special relativity, if you travel close to the speed of light, time for you slows down compared to someone standing still. This is called time dilation. In theory, an astronaut traveling near light speed could experience only a few years, while centuries pass back on Earth. This means that forward time travel is not just possible, but already proven in experiments. In fact, time dilation is real and has been observed using atomic clocks. Scientists placed one clock on a fast-moving airplane and left another on the ground. When compared, the airborne clock had ticked slower, proving that motion affects time. Okay, so moving forward in time is one thing. But what about traveling back in time? That's where things get even weirder. Enter wormholes. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, space and time are like a fabric that can be bent and warped. Some scientists believe that extreme warping could create a shortcut through time and space, a tunnel known as a wormhole. In theory, if you entered one end of a wormhole, you could exit at another point in space or time. The problem? We've never found a naturally occurring wormhole, but some physicists believe they could be created using extreme energy, possibly even exotic matter with negative energy. So could wormholes be a real form of time travel? And if they exist, has anyone already used them? There have been strange, unexplained cases that some believe could be evidence of real time travel. The Philadelphia experiment. In 1943, the U.S. Navy allegedly conducted a secret experiment known as the Philadelphia experiment. The story goes that they attempted to make a naval ship, the USS Eldridge, invisible using electromagnetic fields. But something went wrong. According to eyewitnesses, the ship disappeared for several minutes and then reappeared hundreds of miles away. Some claim that the experiment accidentally transported the ship through time and space. Is this just a conspiracy theory, or could there be some truth to it? The chronovisor, the Vatican's alleged time machine. In the 1960s, a Vatican scientist named Father Pellegrino Ernetti claimed to have built a device called the chronovisor, which could supposedly view past events. Ernetti said the machine allowed him to witness historical moments like the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. The Vatican has never confirmed or denied its existence, leading some to wonder, was this an elaborate hoax? Or did the Church have access to a real time-traveling device? The mystery of John Titor. One of the most famous time travel stories comes from the early 2000s. A man calling himself John Titor appeared in online forums, claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He provided technical details about how his time machine worked, and even made predictions about future events. While many of his predictions never came true, some were eerily close. Was John Titor just an elaborate internet hoax, or could he have been telling the truth? So, where does this leave us? While time dilation proves that traveling forward in time is real, traveling backward remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Some physicists believe that if we find a way to stabilize wormholes, time travel could become possible in the future. Others argue that paradoxes, like the grandfather paradox, where you could erase your own existence by changing the past, mean time travel to the past is impossible. But here's the biggest question. If time travel is possible, has it already happened? And if so, would we even know? The science of time travel is both thrilling and unsettling. While we don't have a working time machine yet, the evidence suggests that the fabric of time is more flexible than we ever imagined. If scientists crack the code, the way we experience reality could change forever. So what do you think? Could time travelers be among us right now? Have we already unlocked the secrets of time travel, and the world just doesn't know it yet? Drop your theories in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if this blew your mind, check out our last video, The Multiverse Theory. Do infinite versions of you exist? And don't forget to tune in for our next episode, The Mandela Effect. Proof of parallel universes? It's going to challenge everything you think you know about reality. Hit subscribe and stay curious.